under the banner of the Indian Knowledge Systems, NSHM Center for Creative and Performing Arts, in partnership with the Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, presents Exploratory Knowledge Tours. We continue in our endeavor to encourage our youth to discover regional traditional practices, to reach the unreached. India, as we know it, is an amalgamation of these practices, these traditions. This is our culture. This is our roots. This is us, the real India and the real Indian.
Eastern Zonal Cultural Center comprises of 9 states of mainly eastern region. We have actually several cultural centers throughout India, and the basic motto is give the platform of folk artists and folk artisans. They are the original faces of India who transmit their crafts from generation to generation. The Eastern Zonal Cultural Center not only organizes programs but also conducts workshops. In these workshops, our primary target is the students. We have to know our country first of all and to mix with each other cultural diversities. Especially these folk artisans, they are trained from their forefathers and they are passing it to their next generation.
Our college is taking us on a 3-day educational trip.
We will be going for a study tour to different parts of West Bengal.
And a really exciting thing is happening, and that is we're having a collaboration with Center of Creative and Performing Arts and EZCC.
And I'm very excited because it will be a fresh breath of air to our students.
And art forms that hold our entire culture together.
For me, it's like really interesting and exciting for be a part of this tour where I will be meeting a lot of people.
We also will do a short research for how they actually spend their lives over doing these handicrafts things.
This is literally the first time we'll go out after the pandemic with so many people, and
I particularly am very, very excited about this.
We'll not only get to know about the craftsmanship but also the love that is put in each and every piece of art that is made.
And this tour will help me understand the culture over there, the system and how it works.
This is going to be the first time we'll all be together to a new experience, to a new learning experience in a different environment.
Honestly, this is more than anything I can ask for after almost an entire year.
India is so rich with its performance practice culture, especially theatre, dance, art, music, and we definitely have one of the phenomenal treatises on performance theory that's written by Bharata. It is very important to look into our roots, the indigenous method. When you look at these indigenous methods, we see they are very pluralistic, they are multi-shaded, and they can take you to a magical level. So I feel that before looking out, look inside.
It is our knowledge, social responsibility to understand the historical narratives or itihasa of these art forms and to reintroduce the rich and diverse folk arts and culture to our youth, to go the last mile.